Excellence. It's what separates good companies from average ones. This year's theme for the AME International Conference in San Diego is Create Waves of Excellence. Come to San Diego as we explore ways to accelerate your journey towards excellence. Explore big changes making waves in manufacturing, from the Internet of Things to artificial intelligence, virtual reality, wearables, and more. This year, our keynote speakers include innovation expert Jeremy Gucci, former NFL quarterback Joe Theismann, lean author and researcher Mike Rother, and leadership pro Liz Weissman. Join us as they share best practices and insights to help you transform your perspective. Witness operational excellence in person at more than 40 plant tours from San Diego's innovative manufacturing community. Whether you're just starting on your journey or ready to dive into the deep end, AME San Diego 2018 has something for you. We look forward to seeing you in San Diego.